Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg mousse. This delightful dish, whether sweet or savory, is known for its incredibly light and airy texture. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients, typically fresh eggs, a sweetener like sugar, and a flavorful base such as melted chocolate or fruit puree. Many recipes also incorporate heavy cream, a touch of butter, or gelatin to achieve that perfect, stable consistency. Remember, a clean, dry bowl is crucial for successful whipping. Next, we focus on preparing the eggs, a critical step for achieving that signature mousse texture. Carefully separate your egg whites from the yolks. Even a tiny bit of yolk can prevent the whites from whipping properly. Whip the room temperature egg whites until they form soft or firm peaks, indicating they've incorporated enough air. For the yolks, temper them by slowly whisking in a warm base mixture. Then cook gently over a double boiler until the mixture reaches around 145 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring safety and smoothness. Now it's time to bring all the components together. The key here is gentle folding to preserve the airiness we worked so hard to create. Start by folding about 1/4 of your whipped egg whites into the base mixture to lighten it, then carefully incorporate the remaining whites. Use a spatula and a figure-8 motion, being careful not to overmix. Once combined, spoon your mousse into serving dishes and chill in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours, allowing it to set beautifully. Finally, let's explore the exciting world of mousse variations and serving suggestions. The possibilities are truly endless. You can infuse your mousse with rich dark chocolate, vibrant fruit purees like raspberry or mango, or even a hint of strong coffee. For an adult treat, consider adding a tablespoon or 2 of your favorite liqueur. Garnish your finished mousse with fresh berries, delicate chocolate shavings, or a swirl of whipped cream. Serve it chilled in elegant glasses, small ramekins, or as a luxurious layer in a layered cake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.